Hello! Open your animation and let's go to the Tool panel where the Sprite Sheet Generation add-on will be located after installing it. Here you can find all the settings for the generator to automatically assemble the sprite sheet. Preview plane is used to view animations in Blender. Load the camera into the scene. It already has the necessary settings. Use Setup Render to set up the scene for rendering sprite sheets. Your animation can consist of any number of keys. The program itself will evenly distribute the number of frames on the timeline. Set the aspect ratio in the sprite X and sprite Y to make the sprite square, horizontal or vertical. After setting up the render, be sure to enter the data in the number of frame field. Then the script will recalculate the frames and aspect ratio to completely fill in the texture of the sprite sheets. Specify the name of the sprite sheet and the path to save it. To start rendering, click on the Generate Sprite Sheet button. At the end of the rendering, your texture will automatically connect to the material that Preview Plane uses, and it will specify the number of columns and rows in the material. The code automatically calculates how many frames you can get based on the data provided in the render settings. When the aspect ratio changes after the render, the preview plane will change its dimensions to adjust to the size of the sprite.